Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, taking a look here at a few articles and some big news in the crypto space. Let's dive into it right now. So taking a look at this article first, dormant crypto whale wakes up after being dormant for about 14 years. It's insane. And this was actually a long dormant whale wallet moved $3 million worth of Bitcoin to Binance today. Okay, now let's dive in and see how this is significant. Taking a look here, the miner wallet woke up after being dormant for 14 years, depositing 50 Bitcoin to Binance a few hours ago. The miner earned 50 Bitcoin for mining on July 14th, 2010. Okay, so we see the contract information, and right here, Look on Chain is saying here that they found the two wallets that have seen no activity since 2013 suddenly shifted around millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, and found that the deep pocket investors moved a combined $61 million worth of Bitcoin 11 years after purchasing 500 tokens for just $124 each. So according to the on-chain data, the wallets printed staggering gains of nearly 50,000%. So why are they moving? What's going to happen? I think this is going to tie in a little bit to what we see here in the crypto markets now. To their defense, these guys have been around a while, right? But the reason why you're moving to Binance, you don't move to Binance to buy. You don't move your assets to Binance to buy. You don't need to. You can just buy. So either they're transitioning and pivoting to another project, or they're selling, right? And taking a look here at the fear greed index here, it's getting dark when it comes to people's confidence in the Bitcoin markets. Like I said, guys, there's a few things this year that could catapult a massive bull run, and I think that U.S. election is one of them. Okay, being as though you have a candidate who's claiming to be extremely bullish on crypto. Okay, but right now a big pullback. And this article here is pretty much stamping that there might be some people that don't want to go down for that ride. They don't want to go on for the ride anymore, right? They're okay to just collect their bags and wait and then buy back in. That is a play. We don't do that much. We have done it sometimes. We don't do that much here, but that is a play. So when we see here, you guys know what we talk about, when to buy. I'm not going to say it in this video. You guys know what I'm talking about, when to buy. Okay. But there's a ton of discounts right now within the markets. Okay. So with that being said, and you see these whale wallets dumping, or actually they didn't confirm a dump. Okay. I'm not going to call it a dump. They didn't confirm a dump. They're moving it to an exchange. Okay. Which can mean anything, right? But they've been in the game long enough. You can pretty much see the writing on the wall there, which isn't really concerning. It's opportunity. So next article here, the largest dog with hat holder accumulates more coins while other meme coin whales capitulate. So Look on Chain doing some research again. So the largest dog with hat holder is adding more to his holdings while other meme coin whales are selling off. People don't want to go for this ride. Blockchain trading firm Look on Chain reports that dog with hat holder has more than 21 million WIF after suddenly buying 2.3 million additional tokens. The largest WIF holder spent 4.65 million USDC to buy 2.3 WIF at $2.03. Okay, he currently holds 23.39 million WIF, a profit of 83 million on WIF. He's currently the one who spent 86,738.1 SOL to buy 17.22 million WIF in one trade. So definitely some traction here. I'm actually going to do a video about WIF. I do a video about all these other projects. I think WIF is interesting because it has all the decentralized and anonymity. I'm going to say that right. Anonymity features of, what we saw with Bitcoin, right? So love that about it. I'm definitely going to dive into WIF a little bit more. And we look at other meme coins here and we see what's going on. I definitely think that there are going to be opportunities, and I don't think it's going to be what everyone says, right? Like, I think there's going to be a lot of sleepers, and I think this bull market is going to trigger a lot of winners that weren't necessarily considered winners before. I think it's going to be one of those scenarios where even if you just stick around, like there's money we've made and gains we've made on projects that they may have not put out anything in regards to a roadmap, or in regards to just being relevant and saying what the status is and where they're at. We got gains for them just being around, so that is something that I think that we could see in the next bull market, especially when everything pumps. There's going to be projects that probably shouldn't pump that are going to pump. And it's really just making sure you have that exit strategy. What is your exit strategy? Like, what is the plan for when this pumps? Don't just wait and say, oh, I'm gonna wait till it gets here, but not really have a plan and not really pull the trigger. You got to pull the trigger. There's a lot of people that rode the top all the way to the top and rode their gains all the way back down to the bottom and missed out. Pull the trigger, have a plan. What are your targets? If hit those targets, have non-negotiables about where you're going to exit. Then execute on that, guys. So definitely want to talk about what's going on here. Meme coins and pretty much a lot of uncertainty in the market. And I don't think people want to ride the wave down, right? I think a lot of people are going to get scared, and that selling pressure is going to push down the market temporarily, which is opportunity. And I think it goes back to me saying, I do believe that you have the rest of this year to accumulate. I do think there's going to be gains. There's going to be pushers. Like there's projects we talk about that are killing it from a volume standpoint, from a price action standpoint. But I think overall, I believe 2024 is the year of accumulation, guys. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.